My name is Tobi Smith. I'm a medical assistant for Ogden Clinic in Bountiful Dermatology. My hobby is decorating cakes. I've been decorating cakes for 17 years. I took a class with a friend when I was pregnant with my youngest son, and I've been doing them for friends and family ever since. I started out decorating cakes by taking a few classes, and now that I've done that, that was many years ago, I started figuring out cakes on my own. The most enjoyable part of decorating cakes is delivering the cake and seeing how happy it makes everyone. Everyone loves the taste of the cakes too. Eating them is part of the fun part. Sometimes it's hard to destroy a cake, but that's part of the fun too, just to share it with everyone. The most difficult part is the anxiety of delivering the cake. At this point, cross my fingers, I haven't dropped a cake yet, so I don't plan on doing it anytime soon. I've worked for Ogden Clinic for over 3 years now. The people that I work with, I consider my work family, and when times are rough, is for anyone, for any reason, we always come together and work really hard together to make everything work smoothly. I'd just like to thank my work family for being so supportive of me during this hard time that I've had in the last few days. It just is a great example of how well we work together as a team to make our office work really well, and it's really nice to feel the love that they share with everyone. It's not just a working environment, we have a family environment. We get along really well, and I'd just like to thank them for being such a great team, the doctors and all of the medical assistants in our front office staff. My name is Tobi Smith. I'm a medical assistant for Ogden Clinic. I like to decorate cakes for my hobby, and I'm part of the Ogden Clinic community.